Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Quntis set of 3. It's a light up present boxes with 60 LEDs. It's a Christmas decoration and Parcels lights, illuminated presents and lights gifted boxes. It's Christmas tree decorations for indoor and outdoor. These Xmas fairy lights. Decor. It's on the market in red, gold, pink and silver. We can light up our Christmas decoration. We add some variously lights effects to our Christmas nights. 60 LEDs light for us. And a set of 3 Quntis Christmas presents boxes to imagine. All romantic tales and immerse ourselves in this festival atmosphere. The warm white light illuminates through the translucent and hazy gift boxes, which hide many expectations and room-ranging wishes. It can be an indispensable Christmas decoration anywhere in our home. We have a unique design for the festival atmosphere. Because it's covered with the stripes of the glitter on the surface, these Christmas present boxes are decorated at the top with classic Christmas elements. Red blow, artificial pine cone, a pine needle, as well as red berries. Georges and vivid bows during the daytime and the night. Each accessory adds the joy and the beauty in winter. The lights up the parcels are either for ornament during the festival seasons. And we have a lot of 8 flashing modes and energy saving. Because there are 8 lightning modes for our choice to meet more needs, classic, chic and fashionable lights, among which you can choose our preference to match the different occasions. Meanwhile, the controller has a memory function, so the flashing modes won't be affected after power failure. The LED light up for a Christmas present box ensures a stable and a bright illumination. Low voltage do not heat up after switching on for a long time. These 3 parcels of iron frame in 3 different sizes, 19 to 19 to 18 centimeter with 25 LEDs, 15.5, 15.5 to 15 centimeter with 20 LEDs, 13 to 12.5 with 15 LEDs. The sturdy and robust iron frame is not easy to cause deformation, ensuring a long durability. The small and the mine boxes can be put in the big box for easy storage. And an essential element during Christmas, the set of the light-up gift boxes can also become a real present for our loved ones to share our happiness in these joyful moments. It makes a great decoration indoor and outdoor, under the Christmas tree, fireplace, shelving, living room, and so on. Also, it can be used in universal decoration in public places such as restaurants, coffee shops, or shopping markets, stores, and so on. The gift boxes are always the most fantastic and mysterious elements in our childhood dreams, where all the exceptional can become true. They are a symbol of the bliss, a variety of our romantic child's reviews, mixed with the experience coated with a Santa. We added a unique surprise in this Christmas house wherever we want, under the Christmas tree, beside the fireplace, on the staircase, in the living room, on the bedroom, shelving or outdoor. We can choose where we like to put this. We have beautiful glitters for the daytime, wrapped with the stripes of the glitter, simply classic Christmas elements. The red bow, artificial pine cone, the pine needles, as well as the red berries. The Quntis Christmas present boxes that blends naturally into our overall decoration. Festival ambience. Yet it is chic and striking, simply in George's design. We have a metal frame, no deformation. Strong stability, waterproof IP44, and this is an universal decoration. A decor become a special ingredient when all our friends and family get together and when the night falls. That's all possible with a nice atmosphere. With that, with the Quntis set of 3 large, medium, and small present boxes. With our thick sea of LEDs, light emitter diodes, it's a nice Christmas decoration. It's a parcel lights. This is an illuminated present lights, a gift box for under the Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.